Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are well and you all doing your homeworks regularly. Yes students, what we have done in our previous video students? In our previous video we have solved our math practice time 5 from our first chapter, and the chapter name is large number. Okay students, now in today's video we are going to learn a new topic. What is the new topic? The new topic is number system. Yes students, in number system we already know the Indian number system. You know the Indian number system. What is that? In number system, in Indian number system, we are using ones place, then unit place, then hundred place, thousand place, then 10,000 place, lakh, 10 lakh. Yes, you already know this. But what about the international system? Is there a difference in Indian system or international system? Yes, there is a difference in Indian system and international system. In India, we are using lakhs, 10 lakhs. Yes, students. But what about international? International means all over the world. Yes, in that we are not using lakh, then 10 lakh, but we are using millions, then billions. Yes, students, we are using this. Now, in today's video, we are going to learn the international system. Which are the international system? How to classify the international system. Okay students, now in international system there is a period. Okay, they are divided in period. How the periods are there? Okay, the ones period, then after that ones period, after ones period there is a thousands period. Okay, thousands period. Okay, now after that thousands period, then after millions period is there. Okay, millions period, they are classified like this. That means ones period, thousands period and millions period. Okay, in ones period, now I will show in tabular form. Okay, in the form of table. Now in ones period, which are the numbers are there? Here ones are there, then tens place, then thousands place. Okay, in ones period 3 are there: ones, tens and thousands. Sorry, not thousands, here will be 100. Okay, because after tens 100 is there. And in thousands period, which are there? Thousands, then 10,000, here will be 10,000, then after 10,000 which will be there? 100,000. Okay, now this TH stand for thousand, TTH for 10,000 and HTH means 100,000. Okay students, now in millions period also there are 1 million. Okay, then 10 million, then 100 million. Okay, now which are the numbers? Now what about our Indian system? In Indian system till 1000 all are similar. Okay, now let's take a difference between Indian system and international system. What is the difference between them? Okay, in Indian system we are using ones as ones. In international system ones is also same as ones. Okay, but see, tens is also same. In the international tens is same. In 100 is also same for both. Now 1000 is also same for both. Okay, now but what about after that 10,000? It is also the same one for both international system and Indian system. Till this it is same. But in Indian system, see, this is an Indian system, okay, and this is international, okay. Here is international. In international and Indian, till 10,000 all is similar, but after 10,000 in Indian system we are using lakh. Yes, here we are using lakh. Instead of 100,000 we are using lakh. After 10,000 what we are going to use? We are using the lakh. That means we are reading as 1,10,000. Yes, like this. But in international system we are using 100,000. Yes, here we are using 100,000. Instead of lakh we are using 100,000. Okay students. Now what about 10 lakh? Now after lakhs we are using 10 lakh. Yes, but in international system we are using million. Instead of 10 lakh we are saying I have 1 million, not 10 lakh. Okay, in Indian system we are saying I am having 10 lakhs, but when we going at international level they are not saying that I am having 10 lakh. They are saying I am having 1 million. Okay students, understand the difference between Indian system and international system? Yes students. Now let's take one example. I have written one number here. In international system, how we are reading this number? Yes students, we are going to take now commas we have to give. Okay students, how we are going to write this? Okay, like this you have to write the number, and it can be, okay, how we are reading this? This number is 3,465,217. How I read? Yes, 3 million. Yes, 3 million. Then 400. Okay, 465,000 217. Yes, 217. Okay, in international system, how I am reading this? 3,465,217. This is ones place, then this is tens place, then hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place, and it is 100,000 in international, but in Indian it is lakh. Okay, and this is million. Yes, it is million. So 3 million, this is 400. Yes, it is 100,000 place, but in Indian how we are reading this? Yes, how we are going to read in Indian system? It is in Indian system it is written like this: 34,65,217. Now you can see the difference between both. Now see, the commas is given here. In Indian system the comma is given after 10 lakh, but what about in international system? Here the after million. Okay, this is the difference between Indian and international system. Okay, in this we are using million, and in Indian system we are using the lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Okay, for million and billion. Okay students, understand the difference between these? Now I will take the examples from your my practice time 6. Okay students, I will take some examples from that, and I will give some homeworks for you so that you can practice that and your difficulties will be solved. Okay, now let's take from my practice time 6. Now first question in that, insert commas, okay? Insert commas and write the number and write the numbers in which, in words in which system, using international system, okay? Now let's take first example A. First example is 501489 We have to give commas according to which? Yes students, according to international number system, okay? Use that. Now here the answer for this will be, yes students, now where we have to give the comma, in international system we are taking this one period, first ones period we have to complete. Which period? Ones, tens, 100, okay? So first, now here comma will be there, then after that which place is this? This is 1000, yes, then 10,000, then 100,000, yes students. So after that means 5014, this is ones place, tens place, 100 place, then give comma, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then give comma, then here will be million place, okay? This is million place. And how I am writing in words? In words it is 5 million, yes, 5 million 14,000, because 0 is there, that's why directly 14,000, okay? 14,000. After 14,000 which is there? 800 and 93. Yes students, 893. Okay, how to write? Understand this, how to write in international number system. Okay students, I will take one more. Okay, now let's take another example, second one. Second example is 1 4 then 00 200 then 7. You have to make the 3 that means this 3 in 1, then give comma, this 3 give. So first will be 14, after 14 comma, now this 3 will come in 1, so this 3, then after give comma, then 1 2 3, this last 3. How to give the comma? Understand? Make the period of 3. Okay, just now we have learned the periods. In that ones period is there, then thousands period, then million period. Okay, in ones period, ones, tens and 100, these 3 are there. In thousands period, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 is there. And in million period, million, then after 10 million and then 100 million. Okay, like this we have to make the period of 3. Now how many numbers are there? According to that give commas. Okay, now here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 numbers are there. So these 3 in one period and these 2 are in one period. Now how to write in number, in words? Yes students, it is 14,000,2007. Yes, this place is millions place. So 14, how to write in words? 14 million. Yes, it is 14 million because this is million and this is 10 million place. 14 million and here are the zero zeros, and after that this is thousands place. Yes, so this will be not in number, in words, 2000, and after that 2000. Now only the 7. Okay, understand how to write? It is 14,002,007. Okay, students, understand this? How to write? Okay, I will take one more example. The third one. Let's take third example. Third example, that is C. 1625, then 4893. Okay, now count how many numbers are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now similar to previous example, make 3 in one period. So comma will be where? After 16. Then after 254, comma will be there, and last 3 are in the same. Now how to write this number in words? This is 16 million. Yes, it is 16 million 200. Yes, it is 254,000. Yes, 54,893. Understand how to write? Yes, students. It is 16 million 200. Yes, 200 54,000 893. 893. Okay, students, understand how to write? Yes. Now I will give some examples for you. You have to do that. Okay, that's for your homework. Okay, students. You can do that. D. Okay, D question is 16532107. Now first count the number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again make last 3 in 1, this 3 in 1, and this only 2. That means it is 16,532,107. Okay, understand how I read? Okay, you have to write in words. Now let's take one more example. 2 5 6, then 3 2 1 7. Okay, now make a 3 3 pair. How many numbers are there first? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this 3 will be in 1, this 3 will be in 1, and this is only 2. So 2,563,217. Okay, students, understand how to read and how to write? Okay. Now let's take the second example. That means question number second. In the first question, numbers are there and we have given the commas and we have written these numbers in words. Okay, students. But in the question number second, the words are given. We have to convert that words into the numbers. Okay, students. Let's take the second example. Question number second is write the numerals. Okay, write the numerals also write the expanded form. Okay, also write the expanded form. In that, first 40 lakh Now here you can see the lakh is there, that's why it is in Indian system. 40 lakh 5,000 5,000 then 307. Okay. Now we have to write these words in which form? In numbers. Okay, write in numbers, that means numerals, and also write in expanded form. Expanded form, how we are writing? Additions of. Okay, now here the solution. It is 40 lakh 5,000. So will be here 5,000 then 307. So 307. Okay students, understand this? Now how to write in expanded form? This can be written as 40,000. After 4, how many zeros will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3 and this. Okay, this is 40 lakh plus 5,000. How we are writing the 5,000? This is 5,000 plus 300. Okay, plus 300 plus 7. Understand how to write in expanded form? If it is in words is given, convert it into numbers, and after converting the numbers, only just take the addition of number. Okay students, now I will take one more example. Second example is there. Second example, that is B. Okay, in that question is 7 million then 7,000 77. Okay, all are 777. Yes. So answer for that will be 7 million. How to write in international system? Already I have taught you. Okay, this is 7 million. In international system we have to make a period. Okay, this is 70. Now 7 million 7,000. 7,000 is, this is 1,000 place. Here is not 10,000, 100,000 is there, so give zeros. Okay, now after that 0, 0, then 7, and then give comma. Now after 7,000 77. So 77 0 7 7. Okay students, now I have to write in expanded form. Expanded form is 7 then 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 6 plus this is 7. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. How many are there? Then 70 plus 7. Okay, 70 plus 7. Understand how to write in international system or in Indian system? Yes students. Okay, now the next examples for your homework. Okay students, if you are having doubt you can mail me. Okay students, now in next video we will learn the next topic, that is Roman numerals. Okay, till then do the homeworks and be safe at home.